What's up? We are back with another fun challenge.
So we recently heard this lovely audio show called Little Things on Audible, and it reminded us a lot about our relationship.
It did, because it's the story of a guy and a girl, how they meet and all their firsts. And we thought it'd be a nice idea to do a pop quiz about the show.
So here are the rules, okay? We've each got 5 questions about the show for the other person to answer.
If you answer correctly, you get 1 point. If you don't know the answer, then you have 2 lifelines, which are basically 2 questions about our relationship. And if you answer anything wrong, then
Ta-da!
let's introduce the tray of pain.
So what we have here is a shot of soy sauce, some wasabi, so you'll do like a spoonful of wasabi, a big bite of a green chili, or a spoonful of Marmite.
All yummy things.
That you will be eating.
I won't, because I know all the answers. Okay, here we go with the first question, Scherezade. When asking Kavya on their date in episode 1, what 2 places does Dhruv give her as options?
Wow, okay. I think there was a coffee shop for sure.
There's no thinking.
I've been through all the episodes. Now you're going to the first episode, and now I'm like kind of forgotten the beginning.
That's not how pop quiz work, you know. You have to answer. Or you have the lifeline.
Okay, I'm going to try the lifeline because I don't want to get this wrong. I do feel like there was a coffee shop, but I'm still unsure. So.
Okay. Before I give you the lifeline question, I will tell you the answer. The 2 options were Fatty Bao.
Oh yes! Oh yeah!
And Kala Ghoda Cafe.
Oh yeah! And I thought Kala Ghoda Cafe was one of our places. Yes.
Yeah.
Good one, Vibha. Good one.
Thank you. So here's your lifeline. When I first moved to Bombay, and we kind of hung out, I wasn't ordering food from anywhere, and you very sweetly ordered something for me. Name the chain from where you ordered food for me, and also one particular thing that I used to love, and you ordered that for me.
It was the pizza from Domino's. It was the pizza.
Oh, yeah.
And I remember Vaibhav had been starving for many days because he was like,
I wasn't starving for many days.
As in, like, I
it's
don't
not like
want
I'm
to
like
order. It's too much of an effort or whatever. And he was hungry, and I was like, okay, I will order. So I ordered.
Well done.
And this was pre like all the like apps and stuff. You had a phone and order.
Yeah. So see, I knew you'd get Domino's, but I didn't think you'd get pizza, which was specific, but well done.
Okay, Vaibhav, are you ready?
I'm ready.
What was the first surprise that Dhruv gave Kavya?
First surprise? The first surprise...
Are you answering this or are you going to like move? First say that.
I am gonna answer the question.
Being brave.
Yes, I am. Here we go. I could be wrong, but I think the first surprise was an apology letter.
It was in episode, I've got the details for you. So it was in episode 3, it's the biryani surprise he gave her when he didn't know it was her birthday, and he went to her house and surprised her at 12 o'clock with biryani. That was the first surprise, Vaibhav. Oopsie.
Oh yeah, shit, I knew that one.
Okay, so from our tray of pain, I'm going with my favorite option, which is a shot of soy sauce. Because I feel like Vaibhav is gonna hate this the most.
Gross.
Are you ready?
I'm never ready for... if you can give me some dim sum with it, it'll be nice.
Okay, here we go.
Bus.
That's a shot, okay?
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Look me in the eye as you drink it.
Gross.
Well done.
Alright, Scherezade, your second question. What feedback do Dhruv and Kavya give each other in episode 4? You have to mention at least one thing from both.
Okay, you asked me that they're giving feedback literally through the whole show, Vaibhav. Like, how do you remember episode 4?
This was a very specific episode where they're actually talking about feedback. And it's quite clearly
Your
mentioned.
questions are too specific.
And they've mentioned it very clearly, and there's more than one options.
Okay.
So you have to give at least one from both.
One that each of them give the other.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna go out and answer this because I remember a lot of feedback. Now I don't know if this is from episode 4 or not, and this could be me eating something or drinking something. Dhruv told Kavya about her hair, that her hair is all over his stuff and whatever, and that he would like her to like.
Okay, I'll give you that one.
Together.
It sheds a lot.
It sheds a lot, and she told him that he didn't wash his hands after eating pizza and that he should wash his hands.
Yes. Yes, you get 1 point.
Okay, Vaibhav, are you ready for your next question?
I am.
Okay, when did they first become Facebook official? And where? Sorry, I forgot to add the where because that's important as well.
Okay. I'm gonna go with my Lifeline.
Oh, you're going with your Lifeline?
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Fine. Would you like to know the answer first?
Yes.
It was at the Jalebi store in episode 4, and where they're talking, and she says, "I'm okay, fine. I'm going on. I'm posting it on my Facebook, and we're going like whatever."
Yeah, I remember.
That was it. This is an interesting question that I have for you, okay? Which I know you're not going to get.
But I should know this, huh?
What is the first photo of us that you posted on your Facebook profile, and from where?
Huh? What?
I actually went back to your Facebook profile and stalked you to find this.
That's so specific. Are you mad? I don't think that question is valid.
It's a valid question.
Dude, like I haven't been on Facebook in 7 or 8 years.
Yeah, but when we were dating, you were hardcore. In fact, it was quite cute because we used to post things on each other's wall at that time, like their actual
Okay,
conversations.
you're talking from another lifetime now. I have no idea.
Take a wild guess. It was an event. Like it was something. Like I mean, it wasn't just a normal random photo. It was we were somewhere is what I'm going to tell you.
Was it the calendar shoot?
No.
Oh damn. What was it then?
It was us at Sukanya's James Bond themed birthday party.
Okay, give me. I mean, who's gonna remember all that? Come on, give me.
Okay, so for this one, we're gonna give you a spoon of Marmite.
Oh God, that's so much.
gross.
Shari, that's really a lot.
It's not a lot. It's just a spoon. Come on, Weber, go for it.
That's so much. I get loosies.
You should have checked Facebook. Is all I'm gonna say.
Wow, this is way more difficult than soy sauce. I'm just gonna swallow it. Is there water?
You can't have water.
That's a new rule.
Come on.
Ugh. Yuck.
I feel like I'm winning this challenge, guys. After a very long time,
that's
I'm winning
gross.
something.
That's gross.
Vaibhav, you need a solid comeback. Huh?
Yeah, I do, man. I'm going down otherwise. Okay, question number 3 for you, Shari. After how long into their relationship do they have their first fight, and what's the fight about?
I know what the fight is about.
After how long?
I don't know after how long. So what happens if I get 50%?
No. You have to answer properly or you don't.
Okay, I pass on this because I don't know when at all. I mean, it'll be a full fluke. So I'm gonna go with my Lifeline.
You're using your Lifeline?
Yeah, why? I mean, that's what it's there for, right? And I'm pretty good with our relationship, I think.
Yeah, because I didn't do research on Facebook. Okay, so this question is about, so when I first moved to Bombay, I stayed in Mahim.
Right.
You have to give me the address of the building where I stayed. And not just the building name. I know you know the building name. You have to give me the flat number.
That's just ridiculous. Whoever
The
knows
address.
their boyfriend's flat number, why would I know your flat number? I know.
Well, I got it through your mum.
No,
So-
my dad.
Yeah, so...
Wow, okay, now I'm really gonna have to guess. I think it was, I don't know, like from like bases like ordering food stuff. I think it was 11 Kinney House. Is it?
You're wrong. It was 7
Oh
Kinney
yeah,
House.
see, I thought it was 7-Eleven.
Finally.
What am am I
All right.
having?
This was painful, and you're gonna have to have some of this.
Oh, yuck. This looks so bad.
Yeah, well, it tastes worse.
Okay, I'm just gonna do it.
Yeah, I know.
Go forward.
Oh, so you have to swallow it. Why are you not? Just swallow it. Just do it. You can do it. Did you do it?
Vaibhav,
Yes.
what was their first fight about?
I just asked you that question.
That was my question also, which is why I
Well,
was like, great, Sherry, he's gonna get
Let me tell you. Their first fight was about her friend Sushmita in the office and how she stood up to their boss or her boss, Khanna.
Actually, the cockiness coming out in this answer, that clearly wasn't there before. Which is why I didn't say what the fight was about in the last one, because I was like, in case he doesn't remember. So
Well, I do. But also, you should have known now that if I am asking that question, I would know the answer.
But that was on my list of questions. Now, what do? We didn't see each other's questions, so how would I know?
Well, I gave you the answer, right?
Yeah, okay. Move on.
For your fourth question, we have a very simple one. What's the name of the building where Dhruv and Kavya live together once they move in?
I do not know this. Oh my god.
You have no lifelines.
Means when they move in together.
Yeah.
I know they say this also so many times, yeah.
They don't actually.
As in they've said it.
Once. And it's not them. It's the auto wala that says it.
Some sunrise, sunset, something I think is there. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know this answer.
You
but
know
I've
no?
heard it, but I don't know.
You know no. Okay, so then
I don't know. What is the answer?
Green Heights.
Thanks.
All right.
You get there are other options, you don't have to do the same
Yeah,
thing.
no. I
Be a little
this is payback.
That's the shot.
No,
That is all I gave you.
This
ever.
was the shot.
You're being sick.
This was the shot. They saw it. Bus.
Cheers. So much better than the Marmite.
It is, but still gross.
Okay. What are their old and new nicknames for each other?
Old and new.
Yeah.
Okay, so Kavya calls Dhruv Dodo and Momo and Professor Vats and Dr. Vats, right? And
You got his now, hers.
yeah, and Dhruv calls Kavya Kavu, Kulkarni. That's it, right?
No, the new one, the last one, they decided.
Biryani Monster.
I shouldn't have told you last one, they decide.
That was one of the names of the episodes also.
So we're tied now.
Yes,
and
we
we're on
are.
the final question.
Yes! Couldn't be more exciting. For your final question, you have no lifelines. Name the movie that they go to watch in episode 20.
Oh no, I know this, but I don't know this. Oh my god, which is the movie?
I think that's
I'm drawing a blank.
Highway 13.
Oh yeah.
It's okay. You don't get any points for that. But you do get some lovely wasabi.
Oh.
Don't die on me, please. Your face is redder than your...
Okay, Vaibhav.
I better get this one
You
right.
better get this one. You made me cry. Like it was so spicy.
I have to get it. I have a lifeline though.
Okay. Who said I love you first and when? There was an actual moment. I hope he gets this wrong.
Okay.
You don't know it.
I don't think it was like highlighted in the show.
It was highlighted enough for me to pick it.
Alright, I'm taking my Lifeline.
Okay, before that, do you want to know the answer?
Yeah.
Okay, so Dhruv actually said it on the pendulum ride at Imagica. Let me make you actually listen to the bit.
What a crazy way to watch a sunset!
On a pendulum! Yeah, dude. Thank you so much. I love you.
Oh, this was the first time?
This was the first time.
Yeah, well, I didn't know that.
I think you'll get this one. But since we were talking about I love you, I thought we'd go into our proposal day, the day you proposed, okay?
Yeah.
So we want you to take us through our proposal. All the details, what I was wearing that day, how did the day go, what exactly happened, what did I say?
Are you serious?
Yeah, let's see how
Yes,
much,
let me take
how
you.
much you
let me,
remember, because
let-
it was a few years ago.
Let me take you on a journey. So a day before, we went to H&M, and you liked a pink dress over there, which you weren't buying for some strange reason, and I bought it for you.
Yeah,
Right?
it was the only time Vaibhav really was like, I'll buy it. And I was like, why does he want to buy me a dress?
And then I asked you to wear it.
The next day.
The next day.
Which he never does again.
Okay, on D-Day, I woke up early and I walked some few blocks till I found a florist, and I bought you some flowers, and you had no idea why I was doing that, but I was just walking around and I saw them and I got them for you. And then we went to the Red Door Spa, where we got pampered and blah blah, massaged and touched and this and that. All of those things happened. And then we went for a walk in Central Park, where you were supposed to be shooting a video. And
Yeah, I was doing a braid video.
I hope that was not part of the answer. But we went near the fountain, and I chose the thing near the pond with the backdrop of the clubhouse, and I proposed to you under the guise of trying to adjust something on your mic while shooting your video, and I kept the camera recording, and that's how I captured the whole thing. And then you kept saying, are you insane? Are you like crazy? This is crazy. Are you crazy? I think there was a yes in there somewhere. And then we just hung out and we went boating. Then we just hung around there, and then in the night we went to our favorite place, a Japanese place called Izakaya. And that's it. So do I get the point or no?
You get the point.
And I get the challenge, man. That's how you do it.
I can't believe I was so much ahead. Like, what has happened?
Well, I came back. Okay, so I won that 3-2.
Yay!
What is yay? What do I get? What is my prize?
Your prize is a 1-year subscription to Audible that I will be paying for, so you can listen to a lot of other stuff and keep quizzing me through the year.
Yes, I will be listening to lots of podcasts, lots of audiobooks, lots of audio shows. Guys, do check out Audible.
Yeah, the link's in the description. Check it out, and yeah, happy listening.
We will see you guys soon.
Bye.